Hello, blockchain enthusiasts. Welcome back to our AFG channel. I am Shisa. Today, we're diving deep into the future of blockchain technology with an event that's not just groundbreaking but revolutionary. I'm talking about the Namada Shielded Expedition, an incentivized testnet adventure that will redefine the way we look at blockchain. So, buckle up, because we're about to unlock the future together. The Namada Shielded Expedition is not your typical event. It's a massively multiplayer role-playing incentivized testnet designed to test the Namada protocol before its mainnet launch. Now, let's explore the incredible features that make this expedition a must-join for every blockchain enthusiast. Incentivized adventure with massive rewards. First off, the incentives. The Anoma Foundation is proudly allocating a whopping 30 million NAM coins, that's 3% of the total supply, to the winners of the Genesis block. Yes, you heard it right. This isn't just about testing Namada, it's a chance to be handsomely rewarded for your participation. Namada Airdrop, claim your free NAM tokens. But wait, there's more. The Namada Airdrop is live, distributing 65 million NAM tokens across various categories. Whether you're a Cosmos and Osmosis staker or involved in other areas, there are opportunities to claim your share. Don't miss out on your chance to get free NAM tokens. Now, let's take a closer look at Namada itself. This cutting-edge Layer 1 blockchain is tailored for interchain asset-agnostic privacy. With seamless connectivity through the IBC protocol, Namada establishes a trustless two-way bridge with Ethereum, prioritizing privacy for confidential transactions. Cubic proof-of-stake, mechanism and multi-asset shielded pool. And here's the tech talk. Namada utilizes the innovative cubic proof-of-stake mechanism, ensuring efficient staking rewards and quantifiable security. But what sets it apart is the multi-asset shielded pool mechanism, enhancing the user and developer experience in a seamless and secure environment. Alright, now you're excited, and you want to be part of this futuristic expedition. So, here's how you can join the Namada testnet and drop airdrop. How to join the Namada testnet and drop airdrop. Step 1. Read the Shielded Expedition blog post for complete insights. Knowledge is power, my friends. Step 2. Choose your role. Opt to be a pilot validator or crew member user. Complete the respective application form by January 2, 2024. And hey, make sure you're familiar with those command line tools. Step 3. Receive your NAM tokens. Pre-Genesis participants get them in the Genesis block, and post-Genesis participants can grab them from the faucet post-launch. Step 4. Get ready for some action. Compete in the asteroid mining race starting on January 16, 2024, and earn those roid points. The winners will be determined based on NEB rankings, receiving a share of 30 million NAM coins distributed at the Namada Genesis block. And guess what? We're not done yet. The Among the Chosen 100 pre-Genesis pilots. Become one of the select few who will shape the future of blockchain. Or, if you miss the pre-Genesis boat, join as validators post-Genesis. The Namada Shielded Expedition is your chance to play a vital role in history, enjoy the thrill of competition, and earn substantial rewards. Be among the chosen 100 pre-Genesis pilots. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Register now for the Namada Shielded Expedition and claim your spot in the blockchain revolution. The future is calling, and it's time to answer. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.